Reggae boy Darren Mattox is facing felony charges in the United States.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaican national footballer Darren Mattox is facing 2 felony charges in the United States, this according to US media reports. The 29-year-old FC Cincinnati forward has been accused of making a false, fraudulent or incomplete insurance claim and theft by deception in Coral Township, Washington County, Pennsylvania. Court documents indicate that the complaint against Mattox was first filed on the 5th of December 2019, in which bail was set at $50,000. A formal arraignment is scheduled for February 27, according to the media reports. The case was also moved from District Court to the Court of Common Pleas in Washington County. An 8-year veteran of Major League Soccer, Mattox was about to begin his second season at FC Cincinnati, for who he bagged 3 goals in 21 appearances last season. Meanwhile, Mattox's attorney, David J. Shagar, called the issue a misunderstanding. The attorney said, "My client respects the laws of both his native country and the United States. He has never been in any kind of criminal trouble whatsoever in his life, and this matter is merely a misunderstanding regarding insurance laws here in Pennsylvania. We look forward to clearing up this matter. We have been cooperating with the courts and continue to do so. We look forward to resolving this matter expeditiously," the lawyer continued.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.